Blue lock. I'm loving blue lock. It's great. Bachira. Let's draw him. Portrait of him. Head and shoulders. Landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if we go too fast. We start with the eyes on this channel. Center point here. Come up over to the right hand side. And let's try have fun. So we go. It's just a big like curved letter C, right? To start us off. So like comes around. Like that. And he's got eyelashes and extra lines and stuff sticking off this. So thicken it up from here. So you're going to curve it around, make it darker, right? And he's going to have some eyelashes sticking off here. Another eyelash here. All right, so quite thick eyelid line. Like that, right? And then there's another line sticking off the top here. Another little line inside here. Then his pupils, so a circle, if you've like a compass or a coin or something that's the right size, feel free to use it, nothing wrong with using it. If not, attempt your best freehand circle in the center of his eye. Right? Kind of like that. Doesn't have to be perfectly circle. And his pupil in the middle. Color it dark. Right, then we go over and do the other eye. So same thing again, like a big curved line. Coming around like so. Then you got to darken it up, thicken it up, bring it over, start adding the eyelashes. Right, that kind of shape, and then just color it dark. And then we'll add the extra spike coming off there. Iris and pupil again, circle, quite big. There, and then the pupil in the middle. Like so. And then we can see just an eyelid line here. Can't really see his eyebrows. They look to be quite small. Maybe we'll draw them in. So like an eyebrow just coming across here. And one here as well. Okay, so nostril and nose. So for his nose, we can just see like a curved line like that, and then a dot beside it. And then his mouth. So he's got one of those big broken smiles, right? So it goes from the middle across here, curves up sort of at the corner, and then we leave a little bit of a gap in the middle, right? And then we go across here. So as if you're drawing this line again, but you're just leaving these little gaps like that. That's the style they draw it in. If you want, you could do one full line. His bottom lip, just there. You give him a bigger smile on this side. And the smile ends underneath the inside of his eye there, so just on the inside, see here of his iris, that's where you want the smile to sort of finish. And then his chin, square enough sort of chin there. And roughly, pupil to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So the pupil to nose level, about the same as nose level to chin level, and then nose to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. That's your proportion. And then you can go for the jaw. Stop about mouth level, underneath sort of the corner of his eye. That's where you change direction and go up the side of his face. Like that. So then he's got like loads of hair, right? Loads of fringe that comes down across his face line, sort of here, right? So to begin, we'll just do the spikes on the side here first. Right, like that. And then on this side, something similar. You can go over his eye a little bit if you want. And he has golden tips sort of on the fringe there, so we'll just draw these in. So these are yellow in here. Then he has fringe that comes all the way across his face, right? So you got like these spikes. Some of them are flat, some of them are pointy. See, like this. You just keep going until you reach the other side. Right. So then hair spikes come out from behind his neck and his ear, and then we go all the way up around. So what we can see of his ear anyway, we do his ear here. There, and under here. And then there's some ear lines just inside. Right, and then we got like some curvy spikes sticking out here. I think these are yellow in there. So it's yellow in there. And then more long hair, and then we go around his head, right? So some longer sort of spikes here. And this will eventually just go up around to the top of the head. Sort of here, and he's got a bit of a part in the middle. Sort of comes down the other side then. Like so, and then some like hairlines just at the top. Kind of like that. Okay, and then the neck comes down here, neckline, like so. Then his trapezius comes out towards the shoulder, like so. Shoulder is about face width, right? The outside of his shoulder. He's quite narrow shoulders actually compared to his head. We go right to the edge, right? So about there. So it's about face width. Right, and then so he's got a collar that comes across his neck there, and then we've got like some neck muscles here and some collarbones lines just here, center line for his chest, and then some more sort of shoulder muscle lines armpit here, like that for his chest muscles. So shoulder line, going that way. Not overly muscly, so shoulder, armpit kind of stuff there. And right, so the blue lock design, you can draw it, you know, the sort of lines that are on the costume. We'll draw them in just so we know where they go when we're coloring. So it comes down across the collarbone like that, and then it goes down this way. So this will be that purple color. It goes down into his armpit there. Comes down this way. Like so. Right, that's it. Bachira from Blue Lock. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.